Hello. Today, we will learn about the phrase draw yourself up. It means to stand tall and straight. You do this to look confident or proud. Imagine you are nervous before a speech. Someone might say, draw yourself up and speak clearly. This phrase shows pride or readiness. It is often used when facing a challenge. You can say, she drew herself up to face the problem. Remember, draw yourself up is inseparable. You always say, draw yourself up, not draw up yourself. It can also mean preparing yourself mentally. For example, he drew himself up and faced the crowd. This phrase is useful in many situations. Try to use it when talking about posture or confidence. Practice saying, I will draw myself up before the meeting. This helps you sound natural and confident. Now you know how to use draw yourself up. Keep practicing. Thanks for watching.